mission of India, which is Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is India's third moon mission. It was conducted by ISRO. It was sent into space on 14 July 2023. It was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. Chandrayaan means moon vehicle in Sanskrit. It consists of a Vikram lander and rover. It softly landed on the moon around 6 p.m. 23rd August 2023. Thank you. Jazakallah khaira.